Let's start today. Question number following is the balance sheet of Triveni Traders as on 31st March 19. Narmada and Godavari are partners in a firm, share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Old ratio is 3:2. Creditors, liability, capital opening balance, cash bank account opening balance, all assets will go to asset side. They take Kaveri into partnership as on 1st April 2019. The following terms being Kaveri shall pay 4,000 as her share of goodwill. Kaveri shall pay. That means goodwill is brought in cash. That means first goodwill will be raised and then goodwill will be brought in cash. And the amount is retained in the business. No entry for amount retained in the business. Entry will be for goodwill withdrawn and not for goodwill retained. Okay. Then she shall bring in rupees 12,000 as capital for 1/4 share in future profit. Her new share is 1/4. So remaining ratio will be distributed among these old partners, Narmada and Godavari. Firm's assets were to be revalued as under building, machinery, provision for RDD, stock, वगैरह. We'll do this all assets revaluation when we'll start solving questions. And the excess of capital of Narmada and Godavari over their due portion of sharing profit of new firm is to be transferred to their respective loan account. That means partners' capital should be adjusted as per their new PSR and the difference should be transferred to their loan account. So this is the question which combines all the possible things. So let's start solving it. This is the solution. Revaluation account, cash bank account, goodwill account, capital account of Narmada, Godavari and Kaveri. This is my balance sheet. Balance sheet first, creditor. No adjustment out of 40,600. Please mute yourself, everyone. 49,600. Then capital 28,000 each. नर्मदाचे 28, गोदावरीचे 28 हे नव्हते. Now asset, cash bank account 4,000 will go to cash bank account debit side. To opening balance. And building 20,000 will go to asset. One adjustment. Then machinery 28,000. Inner column adjustment. After machinery, furniture 1,200. 1,200. After furniture, stock 16,400. 16,400. Next, debtors 36,000. 36,000. Next, all postings are done. Now adjustment one by one. First, Kaveri shall pay rupees 4,000 as her share of goodwill and the amount to be retained in the business. Right? So first, we will raise the goodwill. Goodwill will be raised in sacrifice ratio, and my sacrifice ratio will be same as my old ratio. The reason is right? In second adjustment, it is said that she shall be given 1/4 share in future profit, and remaining profit will be distributed among old partners in old ratio only, right? So let's do working note first. Right? Working note. Let me insert it. See first, calculation of new ratio. Okay. Sorry. Calculation of new ratio. How do we distribute or calculate new ratio? First, we calculate balance profit. How do we calculate balance profit? From total profit, when I deduct new partner share, right, I get my balance profit. So 1 means total profit is 1. 1 means 1 by 1. Okay. Now, this is from this, I deduct 1/4. New partners ratio is 1/4. Okay. So the remaining profit is calculate 4 ones are 4 minus 1 ones are 1 divided by 4. So the new ratio is equal to balance ratio is equal to 3 by 4. This is my balance profit. Now this balance profit is to be distributed between old partner in old ratio. So new ratio is equal to balance profit multiplied by old ratio. First one is Narmada. New ratio is equal to, what is Narmada's old ratio? C, 3:2, matlab 3 by 5. So 3/4 divided by multiplied by 3/4 multiplied by 3/5. Balance profit is 3/4 multiplied by old ratio 3 by 5. So the calculation is something like this: 3 3s are 9, 9 upon 20. So this is the new ratio of Narmada. Same way Godavari. Godavari's new ratio, balance profit is 3/4. 3/4 multiplied by 2/5. 3/4 multiplied by 2/5. So the ratio becomes is equal to 6 upon 20. So the new ratio is first Narmada 9 upon 20. 9 upon 20 is to 6 upon 20. And third partner is 1/4. 1/4 means I'll have to convert this into 20. So I multiply it by 5. So it becomes 20. So the new ratio is 9 is to 6 is to 9 is to 6 is to 5. 9 15 and 5 20. So my new ratio is this. and since new ratio is to 2, old partners का new ratio and old ratio is same, sacrifice ratio also will be same. That means sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio. So I will pass entry goodwill account debit to Narmada to Godavari. Right? Goodwill is to be raised how much? 4,000. So 4,000, right? In the ratio of 3 to 2. So divided by 5. If I divide it by 5, 80 येणार 8 3 24 आणि 8 2 1 16. So this will be entry for goodwill raise. So I will pass entry goodwill account debit to Narmada capital to Godavari capital 2400 आणि 1600. Second effect, capital account credit side by goodwill 2400 आणि 1600 dash. Then goodwill is brought in cash. So entry will be cash bank account debit to goodwill. Cash bank debit ला to goodwill 4000 करा आणि goodwill च्या credit ला by cash bank. Goodwill आणलं, goodwill विकलं, goodwill account close, goodwill account tally. This goodwill is retained in the business, right? So no entry for withdrawal. Otherwise we would have passed entry for withdrawal of goodwill. The entry आली असती capital account debit to cash bank. Next, she shall bring 12,000 as capital for 1/4 share in future profit. Cash आली capital म्हणून cash bank चा debit ला to Kaveri's capital. Right? How much she brought? 12,000. Second effect, capital account चा credit side ला by cash bank account 12,000. Next, one by one. Building is valued at 24,000. See, in my balance sheet, building was 20,000. It became 24,000. That means it increased by 4,000. So when it increases, right, it's my profit. Profit will be recorded on revaluation account credit side by building 4,000 rupees. Okay. Next, machinery and furniture to be reduced by 10%. Machinery reduced by 10% and furniture also to be reduced by 10%. Both should reduce by 10%. Machinery reduced by 10%. So 2,800. Furniture reduced by 10%. This is 120. Okay. So this is 1080. Okay. आणि 200 टाकले की त्याचे 3,000. 25 आणि 3 28. So you gave an effect of 2,800 and 120. This is my first effect. Second effect, it's my loss. So loss है तो revaluation account debit side. It's a nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. It's a loss, so it is debited to revaluation account. 120. Then, provision of 5% on debtor is to be made on doubtful debt. My debtor were 36,000. On 36,000, 5% 1,800. Right? So first effect to RDD 1,800. हे कोण खेळत बसले स्क्रीनवर? खेळणं बंद करा. Clear this off. Second effect, balance sheet ला debtor मधनं minus 5% RDD 1,800. 200 टाकले की 2 2 आणि 34 36. Okay, RDD is also done. Stock is to be taken at a value of 20,000. How much was my stock? 16,400. It increased. Okay, 600 टाकले की झाले 17,000. 17 आणि 3 झाले 20. It increased by 3,600. When it increased by 3,600, it's a profit. Profit means nominal account credit. Stock. Right? How much? 3,600. So this much is my profit. Okay. Next adjustment. Excess capital over and above their proportionate capital should be transferred to their loan account. So we'll have to first do working note for proportionate capital. This working note will be something like this. Working note number 2. Right? See, this is my total capital, right? And out of total capital, new partners capital is 12,000. Okay? Total capital we don't know, but we know total capital का 1/4 share is equal to 12,000. Okay, so total capital will be equal to 12,000 multiplied by 4 divided by 1 करण्यात काही अर्थच नाही. हे जे divide by 4 होते तिकडे जाऊन multiplied by 4 झाले. So total capital is 48,000. So Narmada should bring how much? 48,000 का. Her balance is, her PSR is, new PSR is 9:6:5. So 9 by 20. 9 by 20. जरा 48,000 ला डिवाइड बाय 20 करा. किती आले बघा. शून्य गेले 24,000 कॉन्स्टंट आले. 24,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 9 करा. ओके, 24,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 9, 2,400 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 9 तर 9 चौक 36 3 9 2 18 18 आणि 3 21 21,600. And Godavari's capital should be 48,000 multiplied by 6 upon 20. So for 2,400 multiplied by 6, 2,400 multiplied by 2 शून्य 24 actually 2 12 आणि 2 14, 14,400. Okay, so this should be the capital. I can write this in this column so that we can take a total of this. So you can be assured that whatever we have calculated is correct. Okay, आणि हा तिसरा कोण आहे? कावेरी. कावेरीचं कॅपिटल 12,000 रुपये. सो टोटल कॅपिटल 48,000 यांची टोटल यायला पाहिजे. चेक करा. 10 चला 1 2 2 4 6 6 आणि 2 8. Okay, 48,000. So capital should be 21,600 and 14,400 and 12,000. This is my proportionate capital. So it should be recorded on capital account. Debit side, this should be the balance. Balance carried down. Right, working note number 2. 21,600, 14,400 and Kaveri should bring 12,000. हे कॅपिटल त्यांनी आणलं पाहिजे. जर कमी आणलं असेल किंवा जास्त आणलं असेल, दॅट इज टू बी पेड ऑफ और टू बी आस्क्ड टू बी ब्रॉट इन. वी विल सी व्हेन वी क्लोज. वी विल सी. 3 4 5 ही क्रेडिट साइड मोठी आहे. 600 चे 600, 4 आणि 3 7. So total is 7,600. You deduct this 0. नंतर 2 2 आणि 8 10 चला 1 1 आणि 9 9 आणि 10 10 18 18 आणि 8 26 actually 2 दोन दोन चार, चार आणि पाच, पाच आणि दोन सात. सो द बॅलन्स इज 2880. काउंटर चेक अगेन शून्य, दोन आणि दहा चला एक, दहा दहा आणि अठरा, अठरा आणि दोन, दोन दोन चार, पाच आणि दोन सात. सो दिस इज माय profit on revaluation which will get distributed among partners in their old ratio, Narmada and Godavari, divided by 5. If I divide it by 5, constant will be 5 5 25, 3 उरले, 5 7 35, 3 उरले, 5 30. Okay, so 576 will be constant. If you multiply it by 3, तर किती येणार बघा, परत साहित्रिक 18 चला एक, 17 21 आणि एक 22 दोन 15 आणि दोन 17. So 1728 is the profit will be shared by नर्मदा. गोदावरीचा 7 दुणे 14, सॉरी 6 दुणे 12 चला एक, 7 दुणे 14 आणि 15 चला एक, 10 आणि 11. So it should be 1152. काउंटर चेक करा हे, यांची टोटल 2880 आली का, 10 चला एक, 7 आणि 8, 7 आणि 8, 1 आणि 2. ओके, so this is the profit on revaluation. Entry will be revaluation account debit to capital. Capital account च्या credit side ला by revaluation 1500 and how much, 1728, 1728 आणि दुसरं काय 1152, 1152. This is the amount actually invested by these partners, and on debit side this is the amount which they should have invested. एवढे इन्व्हेस्ट करायला पाहिजे होते, एवढे केले. बहुतेक सगळ्यांनी जास्तच इन्व्हेस्ट केलेले. चेक करा, 752 टोटल, 8 आणि 2 10 झाले, चला एक 3. ओके, 30,000. आता याच्या 28 चे 28, 7 आणि 4 11, चला एक, 8 आणि 2 11 आणि 12, चला एक, 32,122. काउंटर चेक करा, 10 चला एक, ओके, 11 चला एक, 10 11 12. ओके, so this is the balance they have actually invested. बरोबर, जास्तचे जे आहेत ते त्यांना परत देऊन टाकायचे. नाउ this is the credit balance. This is the amount, right? They have invested more, so which should be refunded to them, right? But right now we don't have cash, so we will show this amount as repayable to Narmada Godavari. हे जास्तीचे पैसे त्यांना परत द्यायचे, म्हणून आपल्याकडे ते बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये लोन म्हणून दिसतील. 6 आणि 5 11, चला एक, 1 आणि 1 2 झाले. ओके, सो 10,528. काउंटर चेक करा, 8 8 2 2 7 5 11, चला 1 2. ओके, इथे बघा 52 चे 52, 4 आणि 3 7, 4 आणि 6 10, चला 1 1 आणि 1 2 आणि 1 3, 752 10, चला 1. ओके, this is the balance. So this amount will be shown as loan taken from Narmada and Godavari and will be shown on balance sheet liability side, loan account. Underline करायची त्याला, नर्मदा आणि गोदावरी. चला, नर्मदाची किती अमाऊंट आहे, 10,528, 10,528 आणि दुसरीचे 16,352, 16,352. एक टोटल 10 चला एक, 7 आणि 1 8, 5 आणि 3 8, 6 चे 6, 2 चे 2. काउंटर चेक 10 चला 1, 7 आणि 8, त्याच्यानंतर 5 आणि 3 8, 6 चे 6 आणि 2 चे 2. ओके, this is the total amount. Now this is capital account नर्मदा, गोदावरी आणि कावेरी यांनी आणले पाहिजे 21,600, which we have calculated this 13,400 and 12,000. Total is 48,000. So capital account is closed, goodwill account is closed. Right now cash bank is an asset. किती झाले हे 8 आणि 2 10 20,000 रुपये टोटल जमा झाले. By balance carried down into bracket balancing figure 20,000 is an asset which will be shown on balance sheet asset side. 20,000. Let's take a total of this, whether it tallies or not. 80 चे 80, then 6 आणि 8 14, चला 1 8 आणि 1 9 9 9 18 18 आणि 6 24, चले 2 2 आणि 4 6 6 आणि 4 10 10 आणि 2 12. So 1,24,480. काउंटर चेक 8 8 8 8 14 चला 1 10 18 18 24, चले 2 6 6 आणि 4 10 2 12. Okay. Now do it here. Calculation 0 8 चे 8. ओके 2 2 4 आता काही नाही आला. 4 आणि 5 9 9 1 10 10 आणि 4 14. चला 1 2 आणि 1 3 3 आणि 2 5 5 आणि 2 7 आणि 7 5 12. So 1,24,480, 1,24,480 balance tallies. Okay. Now